Hi guys! Today I'm gonna do the unboxing and installing of the Himiway A7 Pro e-bike. It's a commute urban bike which is super easy to ride in the city. I'm so excited and cannot wait to show you how to install it.
Here we got an accessory box, front lights, foot pedal, installation instructions, protective case, and a tool. We also have a box with a charger. Handlebar Installation, 4mm hex wrench. Step 1. Loosen the bolts on your bike stem. Step 2. Center your handlebars and rotate them to align to the marking pointed to in the below image. Step 3. Tighten bolts to handlebar stem, but don't tighten completely, as you may want to further adjust the angle later to align more precisely. Test the positioning and adjust the handlebar to your preferred angle. After determining the best position, the bolts on the handlebars should be tightened in a crisscross pattern to ensure equal balance and stability among the 4 screws. Front wheel installation. Step 1. Carefully flip your bike upside down for the front wheel installation. You can also place foam pads under the handlebars to prevent damage. Step 2. Remove the front wheel hub axle. Step 3. Remove the plastic axle guards from the front wheel, being careful to avoid contact with the brake rotor set. Step 4. Remove the front forks protection bar by manually pulling it up straight. Pull out the red pad, which is used to protect the hydraulic brake caliper. Step 5. Align the hole in the center of the tire with the hole in the hub axle. Then, insert and secure the hub axle while ensuring that the brake pads of the front wheel are properly engaged with the bike. Step 6. Tighten the front wheel nuts. Tighten the front wheel hub axle. Front Fender Installation. Extra tool, 3mm wrench. Step 1. Loosen the bolt on the fork brace. Align the bolt holes of the front fender with the hole on the fork brace. Then reinsert the bolt through all holes and tighten the bolt with a 10mm wrench and a hex wrench. Step 2. Loosen the bolts on the 2 brackets on either side of the front fork. Then pull one end of the fender brace until the loop at the end is centered in the bracket. Reinsert the bolt through the loop at the end of the brace and tighten completely. Repeat on the other side. Headlight Installation. Note: the A7's headlight installation should be done at the same time as the handlebar installation step, which is presented separately for ease of demonstration. Step 1. Loosen the top 2 screws on the handlebar stand. Open half of them and completely loosen the bottom 2 screws so that the handlebar is loose. Step 2. Align the screw holes of the headlights with the 2 screws. Insert the bolts and tighten all 4 screws. Step 3. Connect the light wire connectors together. Pay careful attention to the arrows on the wire connectors, making sure the arrows align in line with each other to avoid damaging the interior circuitry. Protective case installation. Install the protective shell on the corresponding position of the handlebars. Pedals installation, 15 mm wrench. Make sure your pedals are installed on the correct side, as installing on the wrong side will damage the threads. Indicators for the right pedal, R, and the left pedal, L, can be found in two places: the stickers on the plastic cover and the bottom of the pedal threads. Start threading the pedal on by hand to ensure the pedal is going in perfectly straight, rotating in the direction of the pointer shown on the crank.